All right, well, thanks for watching my channel. This is going to be epoxy floor. I'm going to try to marble it. This is our laundry room, or is, I'm sorry. Um, but I'm going to take you through the journey. All right, so what I'm doing now is I'm picking up the sides. Already back in the flint. It's really going to be neat how I put a balloon in there to block the dryer. But you tape up the sides here. We don't want any epoxy to ruin anything. And I also don't want any of this tape to fall into the epoxy. Taping it really sticking the best. I don't want it to be in the epoxy either. Yeah, there we go. And I can always go back through if I go too high. There we go. I'm going to go through this again. Come on now. Yeah, this doesn't work. Here we go. There we go. That's my baby. Oh no, too high. Damn it. There we go. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. Yeah. Fix this up a little bit. I can always cut it out if it does get into the epoxy a little bit. Come on now. Come on. There we go. That's pretty. Alright. This epoxy is going to be thin. I'm just going to take. Oh no. Now, anything that you don't want epoxy on, better tape it up. This is self-leveling epoxy that we'll have. Yeah. Uh-oh. There we go. Yeah. There we go. Yeah.
So does this mean we're remodeling this?
Yeah, baby, you're on camera too.
Yeah, that means I get to pull out these cabinets and stuff.
I don't know about that.
Two of them at least.
I like those cabinets.
No, what shelves?
Well, let's take off the doors.
Floating shelves.
How about take off the door?
No, like floating shelves. Like leave two of them up.
Okay. Whatever makes you fall in love with this house.
Yes, I have pictures on Pinterest.
Okay. My wife, she seems to think I'm an expert on anything, and I wish I was, but I'm not. Back here doesn't matter as much. Let's see. All right. Here we go. Now what I'm doing is I'm filling up that hole, and I put a little water into the balloon, so I have a little weight.
He blows it up.
I don't know. I just don't want it to pop. There we go. My kids, you know, they always got to be around, and I love them, so they're allowed to. All right, stop, Bubba. No. All right, we're ready to mix some epoxy. Let's go outside.
I taught Bubba how to pop balloons.
Do what? Okay.
They're on record. Yeah, okay. We'll be right back.
Yay! You'll have to excuse my dirty garage. I really need to clean it, but we're going to start mixing the epoxy now. All right. Now, this really got a good deal on the epoxy. If you shop around on Amazon, you can find a good deal. All right, let's get our. First, we're going to do our white. Get our gun. I gotta find the drill to mix it with. There we go. All right. Here's the drill. Yeah. We'll go fast, slow. Yeah. I've mixed this epoxy, so I've been experimenting quite a bit. And I've made some tables. Here's what I'll use to spread it. It'll be self-leveling. But here we go. Let's see. All right, here's the tube that's already been used some. Let's see where the other one is. Yeah, here it is. All right, here we go. Fun part. Let's say this one's out now. Okay, so here's our white. And we're going to add a little white, but not that white. I'm going to just use some Rust-Oleum satin white. Let's get her mixed a little bit first. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Yeah. What do you think about that color? Put it in the comments. That pearl white. Is it your favorite white? Let's do a close up here. Hmm? Yeah. Here we go. Looks up real good too. Let's put a little bit of this white in there. Okay. Oh yeah, beautiful. Beautiful. Oh man, it's going to be fun. Making bubbles. What do you think? I'm excited, Joe. Okie dokie. Try. Beautiful. Pure. Pure, pure, pure. All right. All right, so we're ready for our first layer. Stay out, Bubba. Don't want the kids in here. Owie, out, out, no, out. All right, here we go. Here's some more. Oh, shit. Whoops. Bubba. My son, he really wants to be involved in this, but Bubba, sorry, but here is the final product. Still has this tape on it, but wow. My finished product with the tape off of it. And here it is with our washer and dryer. Please share, like my page. Thank you. All right, well, thanks for watching my channel. This is going to be epoxy floor. I'm going to try to marble it. This is our laundry room, or is, I'm sorry. But I'm going to take you through the journey.